my first set of builder gel nails after about 3 weeks. I tried 2 methods to soak off the gel. The wraps didn't work as well, so I put a bowl of acetone into a bowl of warm water and soaked for about 30 minutes and then continued to file until all the product was gone. The next step is to wipe the nails off with this dehydrating cleanser. The longest and hardest part of this entire process is getting the last set off, so I think I'm going to try a fill-in method next time. But now for the next step, we are going to apply the bonder to all of the nails as well. Now for the builder gel. So I'm going to do 2 coats of this, curing for a minute for each layer. The product is self-leveling, so before curing, I flip my hand for about 10 seconds just to get an even finish, and then I also clean around the edges with the dehydrating wipe. For some reason, I always have trouble making sure that all of the product is cured, so you're going to see me moving my hands and my nails around just to make sure I get all of the edges. So for my list of mistakes that I made this time, my right hand isn't as opaque as my left hand because I did it first and I forgot to shake up the bottle, or I think actually the correct way you're supposed to do it is roll it so it doesn't make air bubbles. But either way, it doesn't look as good. I decided to go with red this time. No specific reason, it's just a really pretty color. I want to start doing more of my maintenance at home again just to save some money. So doing my hair is easiest with short nails, and doing short nails at home is way more cost effective than going to the salon. So that's why I decided to get the builder gel in the first place. I am hoping that it'll let me grow my nails out some, but mainly just prevent chipping and breakage. I also forgot to mention, but I got the builder gel kit from Sally's Beauty, and then I also had the red polish from before from Amazon. Finally, I'm gonna do 1 or 2 coats of top coat. And here is the final product. I really love them, so I'll check in you guys and let you know how long these last. But I will see you in the next one.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now.